Anyway, sorry you won't have to see that, but that bird has been such a nuisance ever since she showed up around this park. Anyway, she's been such a nuisance ever since she showed up around this park. The other day I saw her in the candy room. She was just gobbling up all the candy. Bertha, I shot you!
Well, I thought you shot me, but I took my head, shoulders, knees, and toes, and I didn't find a bullet hole anywhere.
Bertha, check that raggedy little rug you call a hat.
My hat? My hat is full of 222%. You shot a hole in my hat.
And the next one's going to be your favorite shirt, so get back up there. Alright, well why don't you tell all these nice people what you done told me earlier?
I told you the best shooting sheriff in this entire here restaurant.
I'm the only sheriff at this restaurant, and we already know that's true, so try again.
Well, I mean, I guess